As you can see here, I earned this amount of money in 2 days just by downloading some apps online. This can be done really fast, and all you need to do is to stick with me through this video. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to make $1,200 per week just by downloading free apps online. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right, and you can start making money just by downloading free apps from the internet. Make sure to keep watching, because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to X Finance, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from these apps. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. I will start with the first app now. I will go from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app in this video, so make sure to not miss my favorite one, and also the highest paying one in this video. Now, the first application that I am about to show you is called App Karma. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. Now, this is how it will look when you come over to their website. As you can see, this application is available on both iOS and Android phones, so it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone device or let's say Samsung. You will again be able to earn money from this app. On Google Play you need to search for an App Karma in the search bar, and you will need to find the app that will look like this. As you can see, this application is highly rated on the Google Play Store. You just need to make sure to not install the wrong app. Now, on the Apple Store, this application can look a little bit different, but this is how it looks. Again, this application has a lot of positive reviews and high ratings, so it will not be hard for you to recognize the application. When you install this application on your phone, you will see a screen on your dashboard that will look something like this. On this page you will see other apps which you can choose and install. You can see here that every app that you install brings you a different amount of points that you can earn after you install those apps. So when you download this app called App Karma, you will need to make an absolutely free account inside of it. Then you will be able to see this list of hundreds and hundreds of applications that you can install and earn money from them. Also, this app offers you to complete other offers and earn money from them. But the easiest one is of course just to click on download for all of these apps. After you earn points from downloading the apps, you will be able to redeem your points. With these points you will be able to cash out your earnings by buying PayPal or any other top brand gift cards. And as you can see, just to install this application you will get 300 points. Now, before I show you the rest of the apps and how you can start making money, immediately make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. If you like, comment and subscribe the video of this channel and send this video to 50 people along with it. Then you can be the lucky winner of this video, which will get $10 from my side. Thanks for watching full video.